45 sustained. I have it in idle forward. There's not much you can do in these situations.
Over the past several months, we've been traveling on our motorhome, exploring all sorts of destinations across North America. While it was fun, all good things do come to an end. And sometimes even better things begin. We're headed back aboard our sailing catamaran, Calypso, for an action-packed adventure. Enjoy this sneak peek of season 13 of Lazy Gecko Sailing.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
We're up and running! Rice noodle dish. I'm on like 4 hours of sleep.
It's amazing. You've been going gray for a long time.
We are making 6.4 amps. We're making power. I think the water maker's good.
It's Friday morning. About to hit the shower. We are having a hard time.
Keep going back and forth. The captain will have plenty of maintenance challenges this time.
It's fine.
Why is it so bad?
You're doing a great job, honey.
We might have to slight chance for thunderstorm.
1 tablespoon of hot sauce.
It's in works, baby.
Including some big problems.
Our generator's been running warm.
And we'll be sailing through the islands.
We'll be leaving at 5:30 in the morning.
You handled that like a boss.
We're together all the time, and for most couples, they're like, what? We leave for work, whatever, but for us, we don't. So it's gonna be interesting.
Solo with 2 kids. So I really don't know what to do with myself. I think I'm gonna have to start day drinking.
You caught that. That's good. We have a leak.
Bagging things, huh?
Crash and burn.
That's why you do that.
This is the Egyptian one. I'm gonna give you the Britney wiggle.
Don't get anything good?
It gets so hot. Oh god.
A little bit salty, a little bit sweet.
No, we're not connecting well. It's crazy.
Okay.
How about that guy?
And we're
Feeding
still
me.
watching it. We're gonna go say hi to Jeremiah.
How about we just hide in here from all the kids? I came down here to build your morale.
Generator's running a little hot.
Bad storms, weather, high winds. People were jumping in off the top.
Mummy and daddy time.
Now they're gonna see my naked butt flop out.
Since nothing's working. I was really looking forward to washing my hair today. It's not gonna happen.
Do all my wet ingredients together first.
Spectra, great piece of gear. Dumping the brine water all over the boat.
Weigh anchor and head to another anchorage.
We gotta hug it within like 20 feet.
I think that's the closest we've ever been to a wall.
You ready?
Do you want to do a dinghy photo shoot today? Yeah, look at that. You guys ready to go back?
Yeah, let's go.
All that plus more. We're so excited to kick this season off. Stay tuned.
Gotta rock this place.